Hello guys, this is E with Magnetick AI. I'd like to talk about the trades that I took today. Today was a pretty good one. I took three trades. The first one went to 40%. The second one went, I think, more than 130%. And the third one, I think, went to almost 80%. All I kind of played small today because it is about Thanksgiving, so I didn't want to take a lot of risks. In general, I think my execution was pretty good, although I made mistakes. So I'd like to talk about the trades that I took, why I took them, and what was the logic behind, and how I used the Magnetick AI levels, how it basically benefited me in my trading today. So the first trade that I took was right at the open. So we hit this level, Magnetick AI level 455.12. And this was basically a pre-market high. It was also a solid resistance level from prior days too. So this was a pretty good level. As soon as I saw that the price exceeded this broke this level basically with force, and then I saw some retesting and the price was holding up. I decided to enter the trade. Now, actually, we have an algorithm, an AI algorithm that is taking pre-market breakout. So you can see that our algorithm was watching this level too. So this was the planned ad price, but the algorithm ended up not taking the trade, probably because this was the first within the first 5 minutes, and we kind of designed the algorithm to not take trades within the first 5 minutes. As soon as I took this trade, I was kind of half of my full position, so it was not like full position. As soon as I took the trade, the contracts went up crazy. Now we have multiple levels marked on Magnetick AI. One of them is gap fill, and this level, like having this level on my screen was incredibly useful. So I immediately, like, as soon as the price came to this gap fill level, I knew that I had to scale out. So I actually sold a big portion of my position here, which was an excellent choice. So as soon as the gap was filled, the momentum was lost. The mistake that I made was I was kind of pretty biased to add to longs as soon as the price came back to this level, and this is what I did. As soon as the price came back, I added to my long position. But the mistake was I actually never saw the price was interacting with this level. Actually, the price went straight below this level. So as this happened, my I kind of started to give back my profits. I kind of maintained my bullish position, so I did not sell, although probably I should have sold it. And I actually gave a lot of my profits back as the price started moving towards downside. And one thing that what I did today was, as I saw the price was interacting with the next Magnetick AI level. You see how awesome these levels are, by the way. So these levels are published prior to the market opening. So these are not lines that we draw after the session. These levels were put out before the session. So as soon as I saw this price interacting with this, I started to add to my position. What gave me confidence was the price making kind of a false breakdown and then immediately claiming the level back. So this is one of my favorite setups, that fake breakout or fake breakdown and then the price reclaiming the level. So I added a little bit more here. So there was another kind of retest, but immediately the price kind of went back up. I was ready to exit actually at this candle, but because what I learned over time was I am not selling before I see a candle close, at least like 1 minute candle close, and I was quite right. So this was pretty much a stop loss hunt. The price went back up, and I added more to my position here. And I, as soon as I saw that the price kind of was climbing, I had the confidence that the price was gonna hit the next level. So I took profits here. So this was a pretty good, I think, execution. And as soon as I saw the price was losing the momentum, I took more off here, and then the rest was in trailing, I think, stop loss. So which was, I think, kind of hit here. So this trade went 138% or something. So this was beautiful trade. I was not super heavy, so it but that's okay. I was pretty this was a pretty good trade in general. So one thing that happened here also, one of the community members sent a community signal, a bearish community signal, I think, because this price closed below the level. To me, this was not enough confirmation. So that's why I think this was not sort of super accurate in my opinion, and the price kind of proved that as well. So this was the second trade, pretty good execution, except that I added to my longs here, but I did not sell. The third trade was when I saw this flag broke and retested. So if you draw a diagonal here, a trend line here, you can see that this candle broke that line, and then the price retested that line here. I added to my position. It was really small position. I didn't want to trade really, but I also kind of just practice the setup. So that's why I took the longs here, and then I think I sold some of that position around here. I think at 60%. At some point it became 80%. At that point, I think my price was my position was at trailing stop, and then it was triggered at some point. So this was kind of an additional level, additional sort of profit in the day. Overall, I think, except this ad here, which I added before I saw confirmation, it was a pretty good day. I called out these positions in our chat as well, and then although I did not send community signals because I think all of trades I saw them as risky trades in a sense, so that's why I did not send community signals today, but I called them out in the chat right after I entered the trades. Overall, pretty good trade. We had, I think, excellent levels here. This gap fill was really, I think, lifesaver. I sold a lot of my position here, so that was very nice profit taking. This level worked just awesome. It is just incredible that we have these levels put out in pre-market. So this was overall awesome trade and level. All our signals were kind of, our algorithms were kind of quiet, although they kind of marked the bounce and breakout levels. For example, this on watch, this marked this level. It did not take the trade, but it was there. This short, this is a Fibonacci algorithm. It marked this level at 455.85. I think it was hit at this point. By that time, the algorithm abandoned the trade because it did not have enough confidence. But this is exactly where we saw the rejection. So this was the first trade came around like 10. The on watch alert came around 10:25, which was here. So the level was hit I think 2 hours later. It was a very good level that the algorithm marked. It did not take the trade, but you could have taken the trade on your own. Overall, I think beautiful day with the signals that we called out in our live chat, and the levels that our algorithms marked, and are the levels that we put out. It was overall an awesome day. Yeah, just join us. We have this 7-day trial. You can just experience the platform for yourself. Feel free to send community signals. We have a little leaderboard here. You can see that people are sharing their trade ideas. We track people's accuracy, and then we highlight the best traders, the winner of the leaderboard by the end of the month. They get to get the next month free on our platform. Definitely check out our levels. We have levels on I think 10 plus or around 10 top tickers. For example, Amazon, Tesla. Um, we have different. You can see the past levels on archive. You can see different levels for Tesla. You can look at things like uh, major levels. You can see that after the level was broken, the price consolidated, and then Tesla ripped today. You can check out the gap fill levels. Um, Again, an excellent, I think, short opportunity at the gap fill for Tesla. Just a lot of I think great tools that you can take on here. You can look at here. QQQ, I think, as always, a lot of trades going on there. So yeah, we have these levels, we have algorithms, we have SPY leaderboard and community signals. Just check out the platform. Give it a try with a 7-day free trial. And join Discord. We have awesome technical analysis and live trading pretty much every day. Yeah, with that, these were my trades today. Overall, I think we did pretty well. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving to you all, and see you after Thanksgiving. Bye.